Hello and welcome to Seaview Tech Tips. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your macOS device to the Seaview High School network. The first thing we're going to want to do is go to the top right of the screen to select our Wi-Fi network. We want to select the SHS Wireless BYOD. We then can click on that and let the laptop connect, and we need to log in using our network details. And then we want to make sure, remember this network's ticked, and push join. So we'll just give it a second and it'll connect in the top right. As we can see, it's now connected. So we can only do this through Safari. Chrome will not work for the next setup part. We'll have to use Safari. So we'll open Safari. And we need to go to our Seaview intranet, which is Seaview/intranet/ and push enter. This should work successfully. If you don't get to this page, it means this hasn't worked properly and you'll have to go CIT. So as we can see here are our Mac requirements for 2020. Please make sure your Mac meets these requirements to be used on our network. We now want to go to the CyberHound Live Zone, which is linked conveniently on our intranet page here. We can click on this, which is also this link here if that page is not there, and it's going to check our certificate. As we can see, the certificate's not installed, so we want to push install certificate. It's going to go into our downloads folder, and it's going to be called BYOD Updater. So we want to open that. So as we can see here, it's brought up the installer. I'm just going to minimize Safari to make this a bit easier to see, and we can push continue. We want to, of course, install on the MacOS disk. Push install, and we have to enter in our password for security reasons. So this is the password for your Mac. And as we can see, it's done. So we can push close, and we can move the file to the bin. We no longer need that. So now that the certificate's installed, we can go to our desired browser, which may be Safari, but I prefer to use Chrome. If we open Chrome, web pages should now work. So if we go to YouTube for a test site, as we can see, YouTube and other external sites should now work. We can also access Daymap as well. And this Mac is very slow. And Daymap works for us. So yeah, as we can see, the internet will work here. Another handy thing to do is to restart your Mac once the certificate's been installed. This will just help the process go a bit smoother, especially if things aren't working, you can't get to pages. Just do a restart. If that still doesn't solve your problem, you'll then have to see the IT help desk. But this should set you up to now use the network on your macOS device and visit any site you desire. And remember to restart and shut down your Mac frequently as well, using these here instead of just closing the lid. Especially if when coming from home to school the internet doesn't work, a restart will often solve that problem. Thank you for watching.